Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to find Amazon promo code on Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, go ahead and open Chrome browser on your device. Okay, after that, here you can type coupon follow in the search field. Well, and then here you can go to search option, and then you can type amazon.com. Then here you can select the first one. Okay, after that here will appear many promo code that available for you. Well, and then here you can copy it or redeem directly into Amazon shopping app. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to find Amazon promo code on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.